Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Arrae MB-1 Metabolism Support Weight Loss Capsule. Now, you might be wondering what is Arrae's MB-1 here. Well, Arrae MB-1 is a metabolism support supplement built around 7 ingredients: vitamin B6, chromium, picolinate, 500 mcg, green tea extract, African mango seed extract, citrus leaf extract, grains of paradise seed extract around 895 milligrams, and the probiotic Bifidobacterium lactis B420 around 25 milligrams. Now, it's actually positioned around supporting metabolism, curbing cravings, and controlling appetite and increasing energy, with the brand citing 15 clinical studies across individual ingredients in the blend. Now, including a cited randomized double-blind placebo-controlled study on the African mango ingredient specifically. Now, it's free of harsh stimulants and synthetic chemicals, according to them. Now, how do you exactly take this product here? Now, according to them, you take 2 capsules daily in the morning or before a workout, ideally with a high-protein meal to support absorption. Anyone new to metabolic supplements is advised to start with 1 capsule at breakfast and 1 at lunch for the first week before moving to the standard 2-capsule morning dose. Now, the brand recommends at least 3 months of consistent daily use to see fuller results alongside hydration and regular exercise. Now, it's not intended for anyone pregnant or trying to become pregnant, nursing, or under 16. Anyone with pre-existing health conditions or taking other medications or supplements is directed to consult a doctor first, or is highly recommended. Now, since MB1 hasn't been studied in combination with prescription medication. Now, in this case, on the pricing side here, a 60 capsule bottle around a 30-day supply is commonly listed at around $30 to $68 depending on the retailer. Now, in this case, you can get like $29.97 at Walmart. You can get this specific product, and $66.99 at Vitamin Shop, and 65 to around 68 through Arrae's own site and other retailers. Journey within a subscription option offering a discount over time purchase. Returns are typically accepted within 30 days depending on the retailer. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.